morning.
Good morning. This is Brett Bavasso here with TCS News. Giving you the weather update this morning. It's 31 degrees and we're ready to head out to Wharton, New Jersey. We're going to be doing some overlanding today. We have Brian Balasso in the back here. He's our topography specialist. He's going to let us know how the grounds are out there, if they're muddy or the elevation changes or whatever it may be. He's going to let us know. So hopefully on Brian's guidance we have a good day.
It's
right,
fucking
Brian?
early,
you need
dude.
to read the land. You're from Florida.
Hello, live and five. Dr. Vendetta here. As usual, we here. Ooh.
It's good. What's going on, brother? It's fucking brick.
Brick City.
Hell yeah.
Yo, bro. We're doing it again. Last time we were in this lot was La Grande Corsa.
That's true.
Remember that? That was an on-road event. This is an off-road.
Yeah.
This is
So we still have
off-road
fun,
event.
even if it's cold.
Andy, that's so
Dude, look at Andy's fridge, Roscoe. Look how fucking sick this is. It makes my fridge look like Lil Tykes.
Little Tykes.
It's the forest noises. You gotta act like an animal.
Let's go. Yo,
This kid's got a fucking Rambo knife over here.
Dude, look at the perfect knife placement.
Jeez.
That's the Gerber strong arm.
Jeez.
That's one of the nicest knives I've seen.
Check that out.
We have one with us.
Hey.
Fuck shit up.
That's because it's Gerber. Yo. That shit is made in America. No joke, bro.
That shit is steel.
Mad Nazis got killed with that Gerber. Steel.
Look at this lady right now. Look at this lady. Yo, what's she about to do? Oh, she's just sitting in the car. But look at this.
Jeez.
Look at the hose on top of her shit. Car's running too. Look at her. Car's running.
That is insane.
Hose slapped on top of the roof. Wow. But this happened during work or after work?
No, it was on my day off.
Oh, okay. I don't know if you were like on a call at an ice skating rink or some shit. Have you ever been on a call to an ice skating rink? Yeah?
You pull them out.
What happens to people? They get cut from the blades, or they just get they slam their head on the ground? I mean, that's not funny, but like,
It's not.
it's probably like the most. Yeah, I imagine that's probably what would happen.
Probably shouldn't have.
So we're out here in wherever the fuck, New Jersey. We're about to get our trucks dirty.
That's
Pretty
it.
much the gist of it.
That's it.
Got some sour cream and onion Pringles and shit too. It's Overland courses. Your beginner's course is $2,500, non-refundable. Starts right now, cash. Don't be like that. All right, bro. I'll take Venmo too. Okay.
We got Kansas City skirt steaks from Rockaway Beach, Queens, from Kern's Butcher Shop. These are skirt steaks marinated for 3 weeks.
What is he gonna say
onions,
now?
garlic, teriyaki, and sugar. These things are like super fucking tasty, yo. We're gonna chop them up, thin sliced. We're gonna do a little mushroom, a little onion, butter, cheddar, provolone, and we're gonna make some cheesesteaks.
Let's make
Mel's
it.
gonna make pterodactyl.
Exactly.
Send it off. We're gonna cruise through the forest a little more. We met this guy Joe. And we pulled over on the side of the road on 206. This guy pulls up. He's like, "Yo, looks like you guys are going wheeling." I want to chill. So here he is. This guy's cool. He knows a spot called Blue Hole. Blue Hole is this dope area where like there's a huge like water reservoir. And it's like really blue for some reason. Like the water is like really blue. And it's like a good off-roading spot as well. So we're gonna follow his lead and go over there and see what's up.
You got it?